Imagine having an extra 100 or more in your pocket in just 1 hour. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around as we dive into legit ways you can boost your earnings in under an hour. First up, selling stuff. It's probably one of the most obvious ways to make a fast buck. Starting with clothes. You know those jeans you thought you'd fit into, or that hat you bought on a whim? Someone out there wants them. Local thrift stores or online platforms like Poshmark or Depop are great places to start. Some folks make around $50 to $100 an hour just by reselling clothes. But heads up, if you're using third-party sites, they'll snag a percentage of your earnings. Next up, those books you've read once and never touched again. Time to pass them on. Local bookstores or online platforms can help you find them a new home. Most books might just get you enough for a coffee. However, your book could be worth more in some cases. For example, if it's a limited edition print, a collectible, or it's been signed by the author. Got some old tech sitting around just gathering dust? Why not turn those gadgets into some quick bucks? Places like Best Buy or GameStop might just swap out your old smartphones, tablets, laptops, or other electronic devices for cash on the spot. Sites like Declutter or Back Market are cool for selling, but if you're racing against the clock, they might not be your best bet. And if you're wondering, a gadget in tip-top shape could get you back half of what you paid, but it all boils down to its condition. Got some shiny bling or watches you don't wear? Pawn shops might be your quick cash destination. You can pocket 20 to 50% of the original purchase when selling diamond or designer jewelry. But remember, speed might cost you a bit. For the best bang for your buck, consider an appraisal, then list it online. Your old metal junk could be a gold mine. From aluminum cans and copper wires to old batteries and appliances, scrapyards are always buying. Depending on the metal, you could get a few cents to a couple bucks per pound. You can sell just about anything to make money fast. Take a peek around your home. There's probably something you can sell. For a wide audience, try Facebook Marketplace or eBay. But for unique stuff, specialized shops like antique stores, consignment shops, or thrift stores might be the way to go. Just remember, some sites might take a tiny cut. Not into selling? How about letting folks borrow your stuff for a fee? Got a bike just chilling in your garage? Rent it out! Tourists or cycling buffs might just be looking for a ride. List it online or take it to hotspots and find renters. Sites like SpinLister can help. You could charge anywhere from $100 to $250 per day for bike rentals in some cities. Got a car that's mostly parked? Why not rent it out? Folks are always asking to borrow it, make it official, and earn from it. On average, you could pocket around $20 to $25 daily. Want to earn with some elbow grease? Let's dive into hands-on ways to make quick cash. Ever thought of busking? Whether you're strumming a guitar or juggling, you could start earning in minutes. Just pick a busy spot and showcase your talent, but check if you need a permit first. Reports say buskers can make around $22 an hour. So if you've got the skills, hit the streets. Animal lovers, here's a treat. Dog walking. It's fun and you get paid. Offer your services to friends or neighbors and earn on the spot. And if you're up for more, consider pet sitting. Platforms like Rover, Wag, and PetSitter.com can help, but they might take a bit longer than 1 hour to pay out. Daytime pet sitting can get you $20 to $30. For overnight sits, it goes up to $50 to $200. Fancy some outdoor work and don't mind a bit of dirt? Yard work might just be your cash cow. Offer your green thumb services to neighbors. From mowing lawns to shoveling snow, there's always something to do, depending on the season. Sites like TaskRabbit suggest you could start at around $30 an hour, but it all depends on where you are and what you're doing. Need quick gigs? Well, Craigslist might have your back. Dive into the gig section and you might just find something that pays on the spot. In the digital age, making money is just a tap away. There's a gig for everyone. Ever thought of driving for Uber? If you're set up, you can cash out instantly. Depending on where and when you drive, you could pocket anywhere from $7 to $38 an hour. Hungry for quick earnings? Deliver food or groceries. Apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats offer instant payouts. Just grab, deliver, and earn. Earnings vary, but for example, DoorDash might give you $2 to $10 per delivery plus tips. How about delivering packages with Roadie? If you're on board, you can cash out in minutes after a delivery. On average, Roadie drivers might earn around $13 per local gig. But remember, while instant payouts do sound great, there might be occasional delays. So always be ready for a curveball or two. So there you have it, folks. Some unique ways to make money in 1 hour. Remember, every bit counts. For more savvy tips and tricks, don't forget to swing by sidehustles.com. I'm Caroline, and I'll see you later.